A woman was shot dead while her sister narrowly escaped injuries during a robbery in Comfort District, Clarendon on Sunday morning. The dead woman has been identified as 43-year-old Marie Susanna Simit Martin, otherwise called Browning, a vendor from Sandy Bay in the parish. It was reported that around 10:15 a.m., the two women were traveling throughout the Comfort community, selling goods from a grey Nissan AD wagon when they were approached by a male who requested to purchase a pair of slippers. While assisting him, another male armed with a handgun pounced upon the women from bushes and ordered them to hand over their money and valuables. The sisters cooperated and reportedly gave the man their cell phone and an undetermined sum of cash. Subsequent to robbing them, the gunman ordered the victims into the bushes, which they refused. The now deceased, police said, in a bid to defend herself, attempted to reach for a machete in the motor vehicle and was shot and killed by their attacker. The sister ran into nearby bushes and escaped without injuries. The vehicle was driven away by the culprits but collided some distance away and was abandoned. It was later seized by the police. A popular jerk vendor was reportedly shot dead during an armed robbery at his jerk stand along the Lindalo Main Road in Savannah Lamar, Westmoreland on Sunday morning. He has been identified as 41-year-old Errol McDonald, otherwise called Jerky. The police say that about 12:30 a.m., McDonald and a teenage boy were at his jerk stand when a motorcycle with two men approached them. The pillion disembarked and pointed a firearm at them and robbed them of 2 phones and an undetermined sum of cash. The gunman then reportedly opened fire, hitting McDonald in the head before escaping. The police were summoned, and on arrival, McDonald was seen lying in a pool of blood. He was transported to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Persons have since taken to social media to condemn the killing. One of his users on Facebook stated, "This one hurts, no more jerk chicken neck. So sad, mankind wicked. What did he do to deserve this?"